Hey guys, just doing a quick little trade recap here of a NQ short that we took with the family live on our Thursday live trading calls. Every Thursday and Friday we do live trading. We do a pre-market analysis from 9 to 9:30 live with the community, and then we do some live trading for about an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours depending on how the market's going. So this is a little trade review of one of the trades we caught here. You can see all of our entry short, all of our exits along the way, everything recorded here. We saw the market open up right with this pretty aggressively sell off 5-minute candle. We can see here, we saw a lot of selling pressure around this 22,210 level, right? And then what happened was, we broke below the level, as you can see here. And on the live call, I was talking to the community and I was telling them I want to see a push back up to here, and then sellers take over at the same level right here where we saw these sellers happen right here. Right? So we want to see price push back up to this level and then sellers take over again. And if we look over, we can see that we came up here, we saw selling pressure take over. It started to push down. We got in short. I believe we got in at 22,206 was our entry. Right about here. Our stop loss was right above these recent highs. We were targeting our next major key level. And you can see this trade played out really quickly, and along the way we started taking trims. So what I really like to do is sell into volume, right? So we saw some big selling pressure stepping in at the bottom here. We took a trim right here at this candle, right? Price opened up a little bit green, that's that top wick. It came back down. We took another sell here. We took another sell here along the volume. And then we ended up catching our last trade right here at the bottom, right, which was this last final one here at about 103. I think it was 101 was where we got filled, right at 101. So you can see we had a quick break of our level, push back up for a retest, major fail based off of lots of selling pressure that we were seeing. This was some green delta here, but the green delta was very small. And at the time, it was bigger. And when bigger delta gets absorbed and drops to smaller delta, that's positive still, and we see selling step up, that's always a signal short for us at a key level here. We took this short. You can see our trade netted us just over 8K. We were in this trade we got in at 941.13. We were in for about 12 and a half minutes to make just over $8,000. So this was a trade that we took live in our community. We do stuff like this Thursdays and Fridays. We always do live trading at the end of the week. We have pre-market analysis live a few other times. All of our pre-market analysis is posted in our Discord. If this is something that you want to see more regularly, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, see more info. We're going to drop a free trial link in the description below so you guys can join, see this stuff, live trading on Thursdays and Fridays. See this kind of stuff happen all the time. Thanks for watching this quick little trade recap we have of making $8,000 on NQ in about 12 minutes, man. Can't complain about that. Have a good one, guys.